Good day, sir, madam. I am Revelyn Waclin, 23 years old, single. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Good day to you, Miss Revelyn. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, I am hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, and responsible.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will focus my attention to my work and keep myself busy.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
By giving them food and vitamins on time and every day. Tutor them and play with them. Take them a bath every day and love them as my own brother and sister.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise not to do it again.
Okay, so Miss Revelyn, do you have any message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my family. And I'll promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Revelyn, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.